My name is Nibal. I'm from Evotech, the technology operator of Tatmeen, and this is our weekly workshop where we try to answer your questions and help you on board to Tatmeen. Before we start, I wanted to tell you that this call is recorded. After the call, we are sharing those recordings to the YouTube channel that you can find linked to on the chat of this meeting itself. Everyone on this call is muted, so if you have any questions, please raise your hand. Then I will allow you to unmute yourself and you can ask your question. So far, I don't see any hands raised. So if you have any questions, please again raise your hand and I will allow you to unmute yourself. Okay. If no questions were asked, we will keep this call open until 11:30 before wrapping it up. Ahsan, good morning. Ahsan, can you please
Morning.
unmute yourself? Good morning.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we do.
Okay. I have a couple of questions. One is a quick one. We were trying to use B2B to dispense, and
Okay.
we tried to dispense multiple SSCCs in a single call, and it got rejected. So just wanted to confirm that it only allows one SSCC to be dispensed in a single call, the
Did
B2B
you
call.
try to do message status query?
Yes.
What is the response you received?
It actually, I do not know exactly, but it was on the lines that it is not allowed to add multiple, items in EPC ECP list.
Do you mind sharing that with us?
Okay, let me
The
try again,
response,
and
and we will
then I
review it.
can share. I'll try
Yes.
and then. Okay,
Please
and
send us the message status query as well.
sure, sure.
Mhm.
The second question is also linked. When we dispense GTINs,
Okay.
then it is mandatory to have the lot number and expiry.
Correct.
Correct. Actually, because of our testing, we 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 requested some data from the from your team, and they
Mhm.
shared two SSCCs which had a hierarchy within it, but we did not receive the expiry and lot number with it.
You can do that, get that from the product verification.
I looked into product verification, and there I couldn't see expiry. I unpacked those items and then I tried to use those unpacked GTINs on product verification, and I couldn't see. And even from the full pack SSCC, I couldn't see expiry and lot details there.
That's strange because I'm using the product verification, and I see the expiry. Uh,
Okay, then I
so
have to send screenshot for that as well, maybe.
Yes, just for us to understand what exactly. There is no expiry for the SSCC, that we know.
No,
The
no,
expiry is
yeah,
for
I
the
know that. For
SG10s.
that, it is for
Yeah,
the GTIN because they sent us SSCCs, and within that, each of that had 16 items. Uh,
correct, correct. This
and
is
then
what we
I
usually do.
unpacked
Yes.
those, and then I
Mhm.
tried to look each of those, and I couldn't see the expiry. And actually, I think product verification also didn't work because that has mandatory. If you want to verify GTIN, you have to provide this information. Am
You
I
need to
correct?
receive it. No, 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 no. You just need to receive it. We send it to your virtual location
Yeah.
in the staging environment. You need to
Okay.
receive it first. And then, no, that's not no longer mandatory. You can do product verification if it's in transit to your location
In
or if you
transit
have
also,
received
I'm
it.
sure I saw all the items. Actually, I have listed those items. I have serial of each item. I have GDIN of each item, but I do not have other two parameters,
What other parameters you're referring
the
to?
expiry and lot.
Um, see, okay. Again, I'm telling you, it is there. I don't know why you haven't seen it. Uh, just a
Okay, then I will
uh,
send a screenshot
quick
in the email
information.
maybe.
This is the training manual for product verification. If you verify a product, you will see the lot number, you will see the expiry date, you'll see the manufacturing date. All these are the things that you see when you do a successful product verification. To do a product verification, you either need the GT, serial number and GTIN, or you can provide GTIN, batch number, or other fields if you want. But
Hmm.
GTIN and serial number are more than enough to go to the next
Actually, I
page
am
of product
using this is
verification.
I believe the mobile application view. I am always using the web platform.
Portal is the same. Portal is the same.
Okay, okay. Then
It's the
fine. I'll
same,
try
and you will
again
get
and
the
then I'll
same
send
details.
the email.
Here's
Fine.
the product
Okay.
verification on the portal. You put the GTIN and serial number, and on the next page, once you do that, you will get the full details of the product, the status. Where is it? You can see GLN. Oh, okay. I think that's something that we can explore if it's not shown. Yeah, here, it's there. If you do the product verification,
Product
GLN,
verification.
if
Yeah, here it
inactive.
is. Do we have lot and
Let
expiry
me
there?
double check that. Let me double check it. Let me double check it. I'll get back to you on this. But for
Okay.
now, you can get it from the mobile application. The
Mobile.
same
Okay, I'll try mobile
username,
application.
and
Yeah,
you'll get the
that will
details.
solve our issue anyways. Okay. One
But
another question that is a bit more technical.
mhm,
That we have a rare case, not very often that we do that, but it is a case that we have sending return to a vendor. Fine.
okay,
So, since all our internal shipment have our own GLNs, so that is fine. But when we're trying to send to our vendor, uh, we because we do not know that we have the GLN of our vendor, but we do not know that if they are GCP or they are normal GLN, because I believe the SGLN format is different for both. Am I correct?
correct,
Yeah.
correct.
So
It's
how do we get the SGLN of our vendors? Do
that's something.
we have to ask
Okay,
them?
either them or GS1. But yeah, we asked GS1 to open it as an API, but I don't think they have done anything in that regard, just to make the life of the industry easier. But I'll tell you what, how many different receivers do you ship to? I'm
Sorry?
assuming how much maximum? 50 sites? Yeah, I think you
Yeah.
can maintain
Yeah,
it in a
maybe.
database. Yeah, but
Maybe 50 locations.
you can maintain it. You can build your own database and
So
maintain it.
we try to acquire it from each vendor themselves if we could not find from, because I think if we go to GS1, they will just provide for one vendor if we tell them, okay, what is about this
No,
vendor?
no, they need to provide the GCP for all the GLNs. So send them a list with the whole
Okay.
GLNs. Tell them these are our customers. We ship to them regularly. We need
Hmm.
the GCP for all these GLNs. They need to be able to provide it to you.
Yeah. So if we have GCP, then we can create the format based on that GCP
Correct,
length.
correct,
Okay.
correct.
Got got it.
But for
Okay.
which message type?
Shipment only, because of course we
Shipping
are
and
when we are
receiving only.
returning, it is a shipping.
Okay.
So we need the destination GLN.
Yeah, I don't know if the technical team are working on using the standard letter number format without the URN format or not, because we have done it for GTINs, for
Yeah, for
SGTINs, and for
SSCT, we are now
SSCCs.
using the simple
Uh,
format for SSCC
but
and GTI.
I hope it's easy for our technical team to develop it. But if not, then let me not promise you. Forget that you heard this from me. Okay.
Sure, sure. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you. I
No
think
problem.
I'll try to
Okay.
reach GS1. Anyways, I have sent a message, but I'll try to get more details. Thank you.
Got it.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Hassan.
That's it for now. Thank you.
Mithun, Mithun, can you please unmute yourself?
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good morning. Good morning.
We are a medical center located in Sharjah.
Uh-huh.
We are trying to register in Tatmeen, but it is not happening. The GLN is mandatory for a medical center, or without that, it is it possible?
Correct. The GLN is mandatory to use Tatmeen. Without a GLN, we cannot send you the registration link. So you cannot register direct on Tatmeen. You need to obtain a
Okay.
GLN, then you will receive an automatically an invitation link.
If possible. So, okay, understood. Understood. That's
Mhm.
what I know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can you please review the documents on tatmeen.ae? There are three short videos on
Okay.
tatmeen.ae onboarding journey, 2-3 minutes only. If you go through them, you will find the answer to your question is already there. You can review them on your free time.
When I go to Tatmeen, it's only showing the training details.
Now, on tatmeen.ae, there is onboarding journey.
Onboarding journey.
Yes. In the onboarding journey,
Yeah, I saw
down,
that. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
down,
In
you will
that I get
find
it.
the
Done.
videos.
Done.
Yes. Those
Done.
three videos are for anyone to watch. And in the second step,
Yes,
there
I
is
saw that.
registration.
Hospital
You'll find
pharmacy
those
experience.
videos. You'll find those videos. Yes. Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You
Thank
are
you.
welcome. You're welcome.
All right.
Jawad, can you please unmute yourself? Jawad, can you please unmute yourself?
Hello, good morning.
Yes. Good morning.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Good morning. Yes. Tell me, Jawad.
Regarding, I'm calling from one medical center.
Hmm.
Okay, so I want to know how we can enter the medicines
Okay.
in this portal. We have the everything like the login password, everything is there, account is there. So I want to know how we can enter.
Yeah, Jawad, you cannot, as a medical center, enter any medicine to Tatmin. You can just receive medicine and sell medicine, dispense medicine, but you cannot
Okay.
enter any medicine on Tatmin. I would highly recommend that you go to tatmin.ae onboarding journey, and if you go down, there is a video called in the registration and tutorial. There is a video pharma processes in Tatmin, quick guide for beginners. You can watch this video because this applies to you as well. This applies to pharmacies, clinics, hospitals. As a dispensary, this is the video that you need to watch.
Okay, in Tatmeen official website, right?
Yeah. You go to
In Tatmeen
tatmin.ae.
dot A. Okay.
Tatmeen.ae. If you go
Mm,
to onboarding journey here on top, there is onboarding journey.
onboarding. Okay.
If you go down, there is registration and tutorial. I would highly recommend that you watch those 5 videos. Those 5 videos. They will
Uh,
explain to you everything you need to know about Tatmi.
The
Okay.
registration mean I think like we have to the time of
If you
taking the
watch
account, right?
if you watch the videos, you will also know about the registration.
Uh, Registration already did, right? Like my admin did that one.
If you did, you
So I
did.
got the password
Then
and the email ID also there.
if you
So
did
only
it,
the
then that's
thing.
good.
Hmm,
But
yes.
again, if you watch
Hmm.
the videos, it will explain everything you need to know about Tatmi.
Okay, working that thing. So in for medical center, it's only like uh, receiving only and
If you watch
product
the
sale.
video, if you
Huh.
watch the video, you will get the answer. Yes. It is
Okay.
receiving, unpacking, and selling. Yes. But again, without watching the video, you will keep on getting more and more questions. If you watch the video,
So
you will get answers to all your questions.
okay.
Mhm.
Thank you.
You are
Thank you.
most welcome.
I will see the okay. Watch the video and
The whole,
in doubt I
please,
will come
please
back.
watch the whole 5 videos. They are 2-3 minutes each, the first three videos. The other one, the pharmacy, is a little bit longer, maybe 20 minutes, but this will give you comprehensive knowledge instead of asking bits and pieces.
Okay. Pharmacy process in Tatmini, right? That one.
All the videos there, the
Okay.
5 videos.
Sure.
Hmm.
Thank you. I
Okay,
will.
okay. Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Dr. Mira, can you please unmute yourself? Dr. Mira, you're on mute. Can you please unmute yourself? Dr. Mira, can you please unmute yourself? Dr. Mira, you're still on mute. We don't hear you. Hassan, can you please unmute yourself?
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Again, I was able to find that message
Hmm?
that I was telling you that I tried to dispense multiple SSECs in a single call. And the error message says more than one EPC ID for dispensation is not allowed.
Okay. I think it's related to the structure of your EPC message. If you are putting all in one EPC, then it might fail, but I'll have to review it. Try to add several EPCs within the same
Yeah,
message.
this is our structure that because all we are doing other calls, all are accepting like packaging, shipping, everything. We are creating a separate tag, EPC tag for each item, and
Okay.
for dispense also our structure is same.
Okay.
And because I thought maybe the SSECs are not allowed, and I I was telling you that I could not do a dispense of GTINs because we were missing lot and expiry.
Sure. Just send it to me and let me review it. I honestly can't remember it from the top of my mind. So just send it over and I'll go through it through the technical documentation and check what exactly was happening here.
Okay, sure, sure. I
Mhm.
will send the email now.
All right, Hassan. To
Thank
onboarding at
you.
tatmeen.ae.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks. Ahmed, can you please unmute yourself?
Good morning, it's Dr. Mir. I had an issue in my other desktop. That's
No
why.
problem. No problem.
Okay. So
I think,
regarding,
Doctora, it's the version of Teams that you have. Try to update to the latest version of Microsoft Teams.
yeah.
Things should
So I
help.
have to
Yeah,
log in from another computer.
sure.
So regarding Tatmeen, we are a medical center here in Ras Al Khaimah and we're new to it. So what is the steps for registration?
Okay. So, Doctora, the same answer that I gave to the previous callers. Please go to tatmeen.ae.
It's in the
Please
boarding
go.
journey, the same steps as you said?
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Please go to the onboarding journey. Below there is registration and tutorial. You will find three short videos. Each one of them is two minutes. They will explain to you the steps that you need to follow. And once you register and obtain your GLN, then the same pharmacy processes applies to you. So you can find Tatmeen first steps and pharmacy processes. These are a little bit longer videos, but they are the full training that once you go through them, then you will understand the whole scope of Tatmeen and what you need to do. It's not complicated, it's not long videos, but they are the mandatory trainings if you want to know what to do on Tatmeen.
okay. And regarding the price of opening all of those things, what is like approximate? Do you have any idea?
Sorry, for Tatmeen itself, to use Tatmeen is a free of charge. It's a regulatory requirement. However, for obtaining the GLN, there is a price that you need to pay, and I honestly don't have the prices. It is from GS1, not from us. So the structure of the program is that you obtain a GLN, a global location number, and only when you have a global location number, then only you get access to Tatmeen, and that is with GS1, not with us, not with Tatmeen.
So when not with Tatmeen, once we get the GLN there will be the payment and all of those things.
No, yes, only for the GLN you will pay the fees for the GLN, but for Tatmeen there are no fees.
And in the videos you said it will appear for us. How do we get this GLN?
Correct, correct.
Oh, okay, thank you,
Mhm.
thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, I think we don't have any further questions. So if you have any questions, please send an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ae. You will find the details or the email on the website tatmeen.ae as well if you want to reach out to it. Um, uh, Jay, can you please unmute yourself? Jay, can you please unmute yourself? Jay Kumawat, can you please unmute yourself? Okay, Jay, please send us an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ae and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Again, this call will be shared, the recording of this call, to the Teams channel. And if you have any further questions, please reach out to us to onboarding@tatmeen.ae. Have a nice day ahead and talk to you next week, inshallah.